Friends, myself Gurvinder Singh Judge, social activist associated with so many NGOs. Sat Sri Akal, Namaskar, Adab. Today I am coming in front of you third time discuss few things on COVID-19. As you know, at present our country India is entering in community spreading. This is a very crucial period for all of us. So please take care of yourself, your family, and then your near and dears. Friends, our government open almost all the things like shopping malls, religious places, and hotel restaurants, but with some restrictions. So we have to follow all the restrictions, then go to the religious places for worship. Friends, if we maintain all the things in this period, we will win over the corona. So, few things I would like to share with you. Maintaining social distancing, that is the main factor. So, second thing is wear mask. You all know, when go outside, don't handshake. Friends, you take hot water twice or thrice a day. That is very good at this period for our health. Don't go outside until unless this is not necessary. Avoid cold items. I know the summer season is going on, but if you avoid it, it's very good for our health, and especially at the dinner time. Vitamin C tablets you take once a day for a week. Use sanitizer when go outside. If you are in the home, don't use sanitizer. Use soap. Soap is better than sanitizer. Don't spit on roads or open areas. Daily exercise, yoga or walk for minimum 15 minutes at the rooftop. Avoid traveling in AC buses, AC trains, etc. Also avoid those places where the centrally AC places. So these few things I would like to share with you. I know everybody knows about it, but being a social activist, I think I will remind to you, to my dear and nears, friends and relatives. So thanks, stay home, stay safe, maintain social distancing. Yours, Gurvinder Singh Judge, social activist. Thank you.